Hello, my name is Mark Brown, and today I'd like to introduce a technique that is very helpful for pressure testing your ideas and also for generating new insights, because these are changes that matter. I'm talking about challenging assumptions. Now, how can we do this in a fairly rigorous way? I suggest a four-step process. First, identify the assumptions behind a certain situation or idea. Now, this can be a bit challenging, tricky, because many assumptions are implicit. They're not stated. They're invisible. So you have to dig a bit to identify, all right, what are the assumptions behind this concept? Step two is to look at each assumption and test it for validity, for robustness. What is this assumption based upon? Data and research, facts, rumors, trends, guesses? What's happened since the last time we used these numbers or these assumptions? So again, you're testing the assumptions for their strength, for their robustness. Step three is to ask an implication question. What if this assumption were not true? What if the number were 6 instead of 8? What if our competitor reacts this way instead of that way? What would that imply for our situation? And step four is to follow that line of reasoning and see where it leads. Now, this type of thinking, challenging assumptions, can be time-consuming and intellectually challenging, but it almost always yields some type of insight, either a strategic or tactical insight. So it's well worth doing. It's worth investing the time. So I encourage you to have this technique in your toolbox to pressure test your own ideas and also to generate new insights. I wish you luck with this technique, and I look forward to our next conversation. Thank you.